to go over how to find descriptive statistics in SPSS. So we're going to be using the same data set as last time. If you go to the variable view, you can see what each of the variables mean. We're going to be talking about birth weight and smoking. So if you go into Analyze and then into Descriptive Statistics, we're going to go into the frequencies first. So you can choose whichever ones you want. Say you want to find the weight of the baby, you can put that in your variable. If you want the head circumference, you can put that over too. And then if you click on statistics, this will let you choose all the statistics you want. So if you want to see the quartiles, the measures of center, you can see the mean, median, and mode. For your dispersion or measures of variation, you can choose standard deviation, variance, range, min and max. If you want to choose the standard error, you can. And then this skewness and kurtosis, that'll tell us about the distribution. So that'll tell us if our distribution is normally distributed or not. We want this one in between -1 and 1, and we want this one in between around 3. So then we're going to hit continue, and then we can press OK. And you can see all of our statistics. So the average birth weight was about 7.26 pounds. The median was 7.25. The mode was 7. The head circumference was 13.26 and 13 for the median, 13 for the mode. You can see our standard deviation was about a pound, and it was about 0.76 for our head circumference. And then going down to skewness, we can see skewness are both in between 1 and -1, so those are good. And kurtosis are also close to 0 here. So again, looking good for normality. And then if you want to see the minimum weight, 4.2 pounds, maximum weight, 10 pounds. And then your percentiles are at the bottom. And you can see frequency tables at the bottom. So that is it for the frequency table and for our measures of center, measures of variation. So that's if you just want to look at one variable. If you want to split a variable into groups, what we're going to do is we're going to go back into Analyze. And this time we're going to go into Compare Means. And then we're going to click on Means. And then we're going to pick our dependent and independent variable. So we're going to pick we're looking at baby weight, so we'll pick weight. And then let's split it by smoker. And then we're going to go into options, and you can pick whichever one you want. We'll just go with what we have here is mean, number of cases, standard deviation. If you want median, we can put that in. The min and max may be helpful, you can put those in. So then if you hit continue and then OK, into non-smoker and smoker, and it tells us the mean for each. So the mean weight for non-smokers was 7.6, while the mean weight for smokers was 6.877. And the standard deviation was similar for both. Median was again higher for the non-smokers. And the minimum was 5.8 for the non-smokers, while it was 4.2 for the smokers. So if you want to split your variables into groups, then you can use the means. If you're just looking at the variable without splitting it, then you can use the analyze and then the frequencies. So that is how you do descriptive statistics in SPSS.